All right, so check this out. I've got an amazing pork butt here. We're going to call this Kellye's pot roast recipe. And I'm going to show you how I season this up. And we're going to cook it in this pan now. And we'll be doing some more stuff to it here in a little bit. But let's get it on here. As you can see right there, we've got it on, and we're going to go ahead and cook that nice and slow all night long. So with a number of pulled pork videos, as it is something we do frequently, here is another one, and it's going to be simple. Just some mustard, some seasoned all. I'm going to add a little extra black peppercorns and some wood-fired garlic to this. Does look good, don't it? So got the fat side up. Not a whole lot of fat, but we got the fat side up there. Let's start off with the mustard. And we have dried this out, and it's been sitting out for a little bit. And you're not going to taste this, but we're going to go ahead and use this as a good binder. And we're going to coat all portions of it. Then what I like to do when I start off with this is just put some cracked pepper. Just a little bit if you don't want it spicy. Add a little bit of crust and flavor. Then we're going to take this seasoned all and generously coat it. Stan said put some garlic stuff on it, so we're going with this. Little wood-fired garlic. Add that to it. And now we do have it seasoned all edges, and we're just going to let this sit for a little bit before we put it on the cooker. So welcome in, John here on the Okie Smokin channel. And if I can cook this in my little backyard kitchen, you can cook it anywhere, in an oven, a smoker, but I'm going to do it in my pit boss today. We're just going to cook this for a little while, and after it gets done, or not done, but cooked to about 160 degrees or so, we're going to make some of this with some, make some gravy, Au Jus Gravy. And we're going to put that in there, and we'll cover foil completely over it. I'm cooking this for someone else, and love cooking for other people. Enjoy cooking as is. So we got the Okie Smokin grill fired up. And I want to go ahead and give a shout out. I am in the sanitation department, and I want to say happy holidays. If you're a sanitation worker, happy holidays from me today, right here in Oklahoma. Let's cook this up.
All right, well, good morning, a new day here.
The Lord set the holiday mugs out. Well, let's take a look at this. We're setting at 168 degrees now. And let's take a look inside after a good, nice cook. Looking beautiful. I've set this directly on the grate before and then wrapped it in foil, but Randy, who's also in our sanitation department, suggested put it in a hotel pan when you do the pellet grill. Let that juice stay in there, not let it disappear. Keep it nice and juicy. Then we're going to go ahead and make the Au Jus Gravy. We'll cover it just like this. And another benefit of putting it in this pan is all them juices now. I'm going to put some in this pan right here. If we can get this down in here just a little bit to get a better, hang on. Got me a little bit of a smaller ladle or spoon here.
Look at that. So instead of using water, we're going to use the drippings from this to make that gravy. And you could pour it straight in to the pan here, but I wanted to do it this way, just so that I could mix it real good. Put that in there. Mix this up. Let me shut this while we mix that. Let all that heat escape. This turns this into like a French roast, or like a French dip, using this Au Jus gravy. See, now we get it all mixed up real good. You could cook it on the pan, thicken it up a little, but this is already heated. Today we're just going to pour right on top. That pulled out a little bit. Now I'm just going to cover this up. All right, we'll cook it on up to over 200 degrees. Should be fantastic, I'm sure.
So there you have it. I went ahead and removed it at 204 degrees. I don't have the footage right now, but I do actually. They sent me some footage. So here is the footage of it after they received it. Stan and Kellye did enjoy it. You can see how juicy it was. Got some water, as they said. It was pouring off of it almost like a waterfall there. If you look closely, nice and juicy. The bone pulled out. They got a photo of that cleanly there, and they had an incredible dinner. Was happy to cook it, and they seemed to enjoy it. And I also appreciate the spinach dip they gave me. That was excellent too. Thanks, guys. They sent me right here. I mean, it's almost gone. I'm gonna have me some with this little biscuit here. Look at that. Be sure and comment below if you ever had any au jus pork shoulder, and also check out one of the other videos you see on the screen that YouTube recommends that you check out. And of course, it helps with the channel. Thanks so much. See you guys in the next one.